Hello everyone, and welcome to the February edition of the Allotment Diaries, Sketches in Travel. Thank you very much for watching our Chesham Ordinary England. There will be more of those to come. Now, this is the day after Storm Eunice arrived, and I've come down to the allotment, and there you go. There is the inside of my shed. There is the outside of my shed. An absolute disaster. I hope I can retrieve everything. So I'm going to just quickly gather things up and put it down. The plot in front of me, the shed has fallen down there as well. It looks like most other people are doing all right. The actual garden patch is fine, but yes, there you go. That is my damage. I don't know whether my shed is going to be, because it was obviously a plastic one, meant to be environmentally friendly, supposedly, so that you could pack it up and take it to other places. There's a bit over there, and I will have a little look around and see if I can retrieve everything, and hope somehow that we can salvage this situation. I'm a bit gutted, to be honest. I'm sure I'm not the only person in Britain who has had to endure devastation in their plots. I mean, it looks like lots of people's patches are, in ruins. So it's a very short edition of the February Allotment Diaries, because, as I say, there isn't an awful lot to do other than quickly do that and then get out of here and hope we can repair it when the weather has calmed down and is a little bit better, because it's not the nicest day. It's still, I say, it's the day after, and it's windy still, not strong of course. It's been raining quite a bit, but thanks Storm, much appreciated. But we're going to keep smiling. We are not defeated, because thankfully I had nothing planted in the plots, and it's obviously February, so not all is lost, shall we say. We will keep you updated on how we get on in March, and look out for another edition of Ordinary England very soon, and some new other things as well coming up on the diaries. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and do all that usual bits and pieces, and we will be back very soon. Thanks everyone. Time to clear up. So there she is. I've managed to retrieve. There was bits out there. There was a bit over here as well. So there you go. That was my shed. Whether we can repair it or not, I don't know. It's there we go. Shed destruction. Not the only one, I should think. But hey, we will carry on. We will not be defeated.